and very interesting. So can there be a kind of mechanism in which we can probe questions from the child or from the student that did the suggestion help you? Are you doing well with your career? Or do you need some kind of more suggestions to take some other kind of deviation in between? Maybe no, I have said somebody that taking up nursing course will be good. The child takes or the student takes nursing course, but halfway the child feels that no, nursing is not fit for my personality. I don't like it. So in that case, can we track that child whether he is deviating or not, and I can re-help? Because rather than otherwise, what will happen at the end of his session, he will feel that whatever suggestions we took from Shiksha Cafe, that has not helped me, and because of that, today what I am, I was not supposed to be this. So we can make an alumni list just like we do it in schools, like those who pass out, what they have become. Then if there can be a personal chat or online for the experts who are online, so can there be a kind of option that these many experts are online? So we have some kind of rapport with a few groups. They are constantly they are following us up. So if they can find us online and they can communicate, sir, how are you? So your suggestions helped me. So we can just take a screenshot and we can give it to some portal which can be saved as a kind of effectiveness of the suggestions given.
Like a chat option.
Chat option. Next, can we spread awareness through this portal about SWOT analysis? Most of the students, those who have not undergone any kind of management training, do not know what is SWOT analysis. By the time the word SWOT is accustomed to them, they don't know what SWOT is actually. Strength, weakness, opportunity and threat. So without knowing strength, opportunity, weakness and threat, how they can make career decision, how they can frame a question. The question comes when they are making decision, where they are in the process of decision making. Now if the SWOT analysis has been done, then only they can make a proper question. So can there be a kind of system wherein these kind of things, terms can be made popular or aware? Then can there be a simple way of global aptitude index calculation? There are personality test systems and all, psychometric tests, but they are very complicated. Test batches are very complicated and needs lots of statistical system. So can it be made little simpler in Shiksha Cafe, so that a child quickly understands what am I good in, where my interest lie and where my aptitude lies. Accordingly, he will make a question and he will ask. Or by finding out the aptitude and interest index, we can also give them proper answers. Maybe he has got lots of interest to become a doctor, but then he does not like somebody sneezing in front of him or touching somebody's wound. So that aptitude and interest, if it is known to us, then only we can say that yes, you are very good in medical science or maybe life science, but then you will be good as a researcher rather than becoming a doctor, because these are the occupational hazards or problems you can face. Then sorry. They can test batteries. So there are certain test batteries which can be made in a kind of a software. They will keep on clicking and it will be automatically calculated. Automatic system of analysis of test batteries. A number of cells will be there of questions. So together we call it as a test battery to understand the personality of a child or a student.
Sir, after the student is posting their query, they need to go through that particular psychometric test also along with the question.
It can be optional. Maybe they can do the psychometric testing to self-analyze them or to know how aware they are about themselves. Then only the question will come up properly. Are they aware about themselves, what they are? Sometimes they can become sheep. So how to prevent them from becoming a sheep? By making them able to do self-analysis, self-awareness, how they are, what they can be, and what is their best foot which they can keep forward.
But there are certain students who are coming on Shiksha Cafe, those who are not aware about these kind of things.
That's why I said that first of all, can we make them aware of? There can be certain videos, certain advertisements, certain motivational things, which can be popped up, and then they will come to know. In order to make a decision, I have to do psychometric testing of mine. So I have to evaluate myself, self-evaluation. So how to do self-evaluation? That can be only done through the software or kind of a mechanism that can be developed by a software engineer with the guidance of any psychologist. Like manually, we bring in sheets. Like CBSE has one system, Student Global Aptitude Index. So they give a booklet. So wherein what we do after the student passes out class 10, we give them the booklets and they keep on ticking about the interests and aptitude they have. And after that we do statistical interpretation and we give them an index. Although you have an interest but you don't have aptitude, but we are not saying that you don't have aptitude, neither we are labeling you that you do not have aptitude. This is a suggestive measure based on which you can take your career decision later on whether you should go for science or you should not. But if you think that you have aptitude and our test method is wrong, then you can follow your dreams. So this is only suggestive, but then that really helps. Now, certain thought-provoking question about self-awareness is discover yourself. Moment you say discover yourself, anybody will go into that particular slot and start discovering, answering certain questions based on which the real picture of a child or kind of whatever information about a child can come up. Internal qualities will come up. Then, can we connect classroom with Shiksha.com? There can be certain workshops from really very good experts of Shiksha.com, and they can go to the schools and they can take some slots from the principal, and then they can make this thing aware that Shiksha.com is available other than Facebook and other portals, wherein you can really know about yourself and discuss about your career with many experts available. And there are experts in your school, those who are teachers, so they are not ghar ki murgi dal barabar. So that can be done in certain schools, because we cannot behave like doctors with children, keeping a safe distance and all. Okay, I'm trying to say it in a very different way. Like we have to be like children. We cannot show any kind of professional attitude. Okay, then we really play with them, be very close to them, and we suffer the hazards of that also. So the thing is that we deal with the weaknesses. Doctor deals with the illnesses. We deal with the weakness, but we even very close with the student. We work on day and night. We work on the prescription of syllabus with them, wherein doctor suggests the medicine and they have to follow the dosage. So why I am saying this, like if the child will come to know what a teacher is doing beyond the classroom for the children and what a teacher is supposed to do, if teachers will come to know, maybe you will get more and more experts. If one school you go, you will get hundreds of experts, those who are good in many different areas. So if teachers can be involved, then how you can get more number of experts? By publicity of appreciation. If you appreciate me in a closed cabin, nobody knows. But if you appreciate me in public, that will be known. Or if whatever appreciation you are giving to us, if it is publicized through social media, everybody will get appreciation. That is little childish, but then every man has got a child in the heart. So moment that child is appreciated, the person feels motivated to do better and better, even though money or something is not given. Like we don't give money to child to score better, but then we generally give sweets or whatever they like at that particular moment. So I really appreciate this what is given to me. I really appreciate that gift also. Thank you again. And I wanted if this can be publicized also. Like we all are working somewhere, so this is a sort of part-time involvement, not a job, and we are satisfying somewhere. So if our employers are made aware of that we are contributing so much for the society in some other ways also, so others will also get motivation and will join. If there can be some courseworks designed for the experts so that we can make ourselves more groomed up. You will come across many experts, those who write sentences in choppy way. They do not complete their sentences, or sometimes they probe questions without question mark. So that becomes a kind of a question mark on the quality of experts and the brand image of Shiksha.com also. Because once you are saying that we are Shiksha expert, we belong to Shiksha.com, and we should take the charge of projecting the quality. We are representing the company on the portal, so we should take care of the quality of language which we are using in while texting anything on that portal. So for that, if a general sort of training in chat process, then kind of proficiency test and certification for typing. Okay, certification can be given by Shiksha.com. That these are the proficiencies of experts which is required to reach up to this level. It does not depend upon the likes or ups and downs in thumbs up and thumbs down, but also on the appreciations, also on the qualities and qualifications a person has. Like somebody can types while typing he makes a mistake, so that is something not proficient. Is the person really proficient to become an expert? What ma'am said. So can there be a sort of assessment criteria or a kind of coursework also? Say if somebody has enrolled himself or herself as a beginner, is there any coursework which a person has to pass through? After that you give a certification. Otherwise the certificate becomes invalid. Like I was sitting in the staff room and I was helping a child, and then my picture was there that you are an Shiksha expert. So one of the teachers asked that, is that you have made it by some sort of BTP or something? I said no, actually I am working for Shiksha.com and they have given me this recognition. So what do you get out of it? I said they give me a kind of a certificate which is emailed to me, or sort of software